How to access games on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to access games on Temu. It's a simple process, so please watch until the end to follow along easily. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Temu application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, tap on the search box at the top and then type in Fishland. Once you see the Fishland in the results, tap on it and this will allow you to open the Fishland game on Temu. Sometimes the availability of the game is randomized, so you can explore more on Temu. For that, you can go ahead and tap on Visit Other Activities. And according to your location, you will be given a lot of different options or games to go for. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.